Hello everyone and welcome back. So right now I am in the car. I am actually about to go in for work. So today what I did is as I was getting my coffee, I unloaded the dishwasher. I did already have my shoes on. I was already dressed because I took my shower this morning. I think I'm going to be changing that to the evening because that way I'm not late for work. I'm not late now, so don't worry. So that's hopefully what you've done this morning as well. And what we're going to be doing today, here, let's raise that a little bit. What we're going to be doing today is two things. So we are on day 4, by the way, and we're going to be writing down our morning routine, which right now is getting dressed to shoes and unloading the dishwasher. So we don't have to worry about that. But then we're also going to write down an afternoon routine because we work. So we're going to have to put some of this in our afternoon. And then our evening routine is we're going to load the dishwasher and shine our sink. Now, I have one more thing that we're going to do today. It's not necessarily part of your routine, but it will become part of your routine. So I want you to find one spot in your house that is going to be what's known as your Launchpad. So this is where your purse is going to go. This is where all the things that you need for work is going to go, and all the things that your kids are going to need. So put it all in one spot. But first, what we're going to do is we're going to clean it off. So I want you to take anywhere from, I don't know, I'd say maybe 5 to 10 minutes. Get a place that is nice and clean, and it's right by the door where you're going to be leaving. So I will see you all tomorrow where we're going to go into our 5th baby step. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a great day. Bye.